This is the current state of my fridge. I'm gonna clean it and let's do a restock video. That's bacon. I didn't take the eggs out, but this is literally the perfect spot for those carton of eggs. I'm actually going to put all of these in here. It looks so much better. It really needed to be done. I really want to get those acrylic containers to organize the fridge and all of their snacks, but one day we'll do that, not today. I also want to thank everyone who bought stuff off of their wish list, especially all of those little snacks and Pediasures. We really appreciate it and my kids love them.